Okay, let me share my screen. I'll go little slow only. I'm not going so much faster also. There are few students need really. Yes, Mahavir.
Ma'am, the second question, like my doubt is that 4 plus 7 by 8, right? So 4 is a whole number and 7 by 8 is a proper fraction. So we can directly write it as 4 7 by 8.
You can write directly. You can write. Good. 4 7 by 8. Directly you can write. Because it is addition also. Exactly. But anyway, let me take the procedure, or else they will do for subtraction also the same procedure. They will write for subtraction also 2 3 by 5.
Hmm.
That's why, like a procedure we will do means they will understand.
Ma'am, for subtraction, for example, the first one 2 minus 3 by 5, right?
No, ma'am. Ma'am, no, ma'am. The second one answer is 4 3 by 8.
4 7 by 8, Nana.
Yes, ma'am, I got 4 7 by 8.
Raghu, 4 7 by 8.
Ma'am, it's 4 7 by.
Yes. Sahit, please, what is LCM of 1 and 8? Please, children, remaining students, please start working on your sums.
Ma'am, we can't see the question.
Okay. Yes.
Ma'am, the LCM of 1, the lowest common factor of 1 and 8 is going to be 8, ma'am.
Yes. So, LCM is 8. Now, my first fraction is 4 by 1. Denominator is 1. 1 need to become 8 means what number I supposed to multiply here?
Ma'am, into 8. Ma'am, 8.
Multiplied with 8. Multiplied with 8. Same changes I need to do for denominator also. In second fraction already 8 is there. So no need to change anything. You just leave like that.
8 4s are 32 by 8.
Yes, 8 4s are 32 by 8. Next 7 by 8. Now since these two are like fractions, like means denominators are same.
Same.
So we can do directly, we can add numerators 32 plus 7 by 8. It's nothing.
Ma'am, 39 by 8, ma'am.
39
by 8.
Yes. 39, it is improper again. Improper, we are leaving like that. Improper uniform, they will accept you.
No, ma'am.
Convert to mix.
Change it into mixed fraction.
Yes. So now 39 by 8 means 8. How many times, Nana?
Ma'am, 4.
Ma'am, 4 times.
8 4s are 32. 9 minus 2 means 7. So we can write as 4 7 by 8. This is one thing. But our question is 4 plus 7 by 8. No need to do this. Once addition is there means, addition symbol is there means, whole part and fractional part you can directly combine and write result as 4 7 by 8. No need of doing also. In addition only it is applicable, not in subtraction. Vallabha, are you there, Vallabha? Vallabha. Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
are you able to understand the point?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Come on, Vallabha, start doing. Sahit, please. Let me check the.
Ma'am, could you show the question?
Yes, I'm so sorry. Let me take the questions. Where are you? Okay. Or else I will clear this part and I can do here only. Just a minute. No?
10 వస్తుందమ్మా అది LCM 10 ఉంటుంది.
Yes. Okay, Shubhu. Clear part.
Yes, is the multiple of all this clear. So high. చూడు కాదు.
Yes, please mute yourself, Nana. Someone is unmuting mic.
Raghav, your mic.
In addition, no need of doing such a procedure also. What I said, children, we can do directly, but in not subtraction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Now we
Ma'am, one more thing is that if both the while finding the LCM of both the denominators, do not.
Who is putting that request?
Ma'am, if it's a prime number, then we just have to multiply both the numbers
Exactly,
together.
correct. There are few conditions are there. I will teach that part also, Nana. LCM, both are prime numbers. No prime number is repeated means you can directly multiply. Exactly, correct. Good, Harini. See, in third bit is the case, same thing case. In third bit, the denominators are, what are in third case? You see, children, what is the third?
Denominators are not equal.
Same, denominators are not
So
same.
it's an unlike fraction.
Very good, but both are prime numbers, is it so? No prime number is repeated. Yes, these are first you have to check whether it is like or unlike. Unlike means denominators are different. Denominators are different. So you need to take LCM of denominators. LCM of 5 and 7. Directly you can multiply. Why? Because 5 and 7 are prime numbers. No prime number is repeated. 7 5s are 35. Your LCM is 35. Now you have to equate your denominators to 35. You just make your denominators as 35. What changes you supposed to do? 3 by 5 multiplied with 5. Denominator is 5 here. So if denominator is 5 means, you need to convert into 35. You need to equate to 35. So that what you should do? You can multiply with
7, ma'am.
Yes. Very good. You can multiply with both the sides 7 plus 2 by 7. Denominator is 7 here. You need to 7 how many
2
times?
into 5.
5, ma'am.
Yes, 5. Now you just write down, children, multiply and write. 7 3s are 21 by 35 plus 5 2s are 10 by 35. Since both are like fractions, we can add up now by adding numerators. 21 plus 10 together it is the common denominator you're supposed to write. 21 plus 1 is 31 by 35. So it is a proper fraction. You can stop here. Why? Because this is proper fraction. Already it is proper uniform it is wearing. That's why no need to disturb. This is proper fraction. You just leave like that. When you are going to do improper fraction only, you have to convert into mixed number. Yes, go to fourth one, ma. Yes, any doubt? Vallabha, Sahit, any doubt, Nana? Please put IDK in your chat box or else I don't know what is going to happen. Please put in your...
Ma'am, and one more simple trick, like to multiply the 11 table is like, for example, they gave 15.
Yes.
So write 15 in the right side and 1 on the left side.
Yes.
Then write 5 plus 1, which
Yes.
is 165.
Yes, yeah, correct. Good. When we are solving many bits, we are...
Ma'am, even I did the same.
Exactly. When we are solving, we will get that. So, Harini, your answer, Srishti, your answer are correct. I can see one more student is given answer for fourth bit. Let me check. Yes, Mahavir, your answer also correct. I can see Srishti correct. Mahavir, you are giving first wrong. Where is Raghav answer? I am waiting for Raghav.
Ma'am, did I give correct or wrong?
Ma'am, the fourth one, right? The fourth one, right?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am, I'm just typing. I was doing the other sum, so I forgot to type it.
Okay, anything, but you put once completed, put the question number.
Ma'am, I typed the answer.
Okay. So now I think Sahit, I need to help. Where is Vallabha? Vallabha? My dear Vallabha, where are you? Yes, please respond, Vallabha.
Ma'am?
Are you getting my points? Third bit? Any doubt?
Yes. No, ma'am.
Good, good. Go to fourth bit. You need to practice tables here. Once you are perfect with your tables, Your answer is very simple. You can get very quick answers. Now, where is Sahit? Sahit, please respond, Nana. Sahit, please respond.
Ma'am?
Any doubt in this bit?
No, ma'am.
I hope it is clear. Third bit?
Yes, ma'am, it's clear.
Not Raghav. Sahit.
Ma'am, actually, when it's a mixed fraction, I'm not able to write in the chat. So I just gave
Okay.
a gap between the numbers.
Right, Harini. Once you practiced the sum, still 7 bits. Who will first? I will check, Nana. I'm seeing.
Ma'am, I kept the answer of the fifth one. Please answer the second one, ma'am, because the first one I typed it wrong.
I'm seeing continuously the answers part. There are no correct. Mahavir given for fifth one 6 by 10 and 1 6 by 10. Yes, Harini, you are giving a correct answer, Harini. Harini, is it 23 by 10?
Ma'am,
No, ma'am, it's 2 3 by 10. I
Oh,
just gave a gap because I was not able to
but
type
the
mixed
answer is 2 3 by 4 Raghav Ghat. There are why different answers are getting by.
No, ma'am, that's not 2 3 by 4. It's 2 3 by 5. I typed it again.
You are giving second. Okay, 2 3 by 5. Let me check why there are different answers are getting here. I think Raghav, you are correct.
ma'am, is my fifth answer correct?
Fifth one.
Ma'am, actually, for my answer, it is 2 3 by 10, ma'am.
3 by 10. Okay, let me because only one student gave correct answer, rest are not giving correct answer. Where you are doing mistake, let me check now.
Ma'am, is my fifth answer correct?
No, Mahavir. Some silly error somewhere you did.
Ma'am, is my answer correct?
Yes, Raghav, correct you are. Harini also somewhere she wrote denominator part. She wrote as 10, but it is denominator is 5. Yes. Fourth bit you see. Sahit, Vallabha. Jait, are you there, Jait? Jait. Jait, where are you? Few students there. Jait, are you there? What is LCM of 11 and 15, Jait? Jait is not there. You see, few students.
Ma'am, it's 165.
Wait a minute, ma. Let me check. Jait is there in the group or not, or else I'll call to the parent. Because parents are thinking they are in the class. I don't know what happened. Few students they are doing so like.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, can I show
ma'am,
the
for
question?
the
I want
for actually for
Nikhil to respond. Nikhil, please respond, Nana.
Ma'am, can you show the other questions, ma'am?
1 minute, ma.
Ma'am, I sent the answer for the sixth one also.
Okay. I will check little later. Please put in your group. Nikhil, please respond. Nikhil, are you there? Wait a minute, Nana. I'll call the parents. Why the students where they are quietly doing some work without listening. Jait, are you there? Please respond, Jait. Are you there? Yesterday also he did the same thing. Today I'll call the parent. And Nikhil, please respond. Another student, who is that other student, ma? Cyrus is there in the classroom. Cyrus, are you there in the
Ma'am,
classroom?
can you show the sixth one, ma'am?
Just a minute, Nana. Just a minute. These students, they are not at all concentrating. Why? I don't know. Jait, Nikhil. Pranav, where are you? Pranav, are you there? Pranav, are you there? I can see here there are few students very seriously work. One is Harini, Srishti, Raghav, Vallabha, and Mahavir, and other students. Who are there? If any member I will forget, let me check. Jait also some nowadays he is not lost. He is not attending once again. Once meeting ends means he is supposed to join again. He is not joining. These are very good students. Really, they are updating with their subject. Really appreciable things, children. If you know concept also, once again, if you listen, you will get more strength on that concept. No need of skip the class. Yes, here you're supposed to check. There is no common factors between 11 and 15. So the LCM is 11 multiplied with 15. What is the answer, Nana?
165, ma'am.
165. Very good, Nikhil.
5.
Ma'am, I kept
91
the
by
answer for the sixth
165.
one also. Did you check that?
No, yes, I will check. I will check. Now 9 by 11, just cross multiplication, Nana. Why? Because only two numbers, no common factor. You can cross multiply in this case. So 4 by 15, denominator is 11. You have to multiply both sides with 11. So 15 nines are 135 by 165 minus,
Ma'am,
Minus
minus
44,
44 by
which
165.
gives 91, ma'am.
yes. If you subtract both the numbers, 135,
We'll get 91, ma'am. 91 by 165.
is it proper or improper?
Ma'am, it's proper.
So
Ma'am, it's proper.
we can leave here. Yes.
Ma'am?
I think how many of you who correct? Let me check who will give correct answer. Let me just see 91 by. Let me check the chat box, Nana.
Ma'am,
Yes, ma.
ma'am, so like in denominator, we pick those numbers to multiply.
Why? Because there is no common factor between 11 and 15. If any common factor is there, means you are finding LCM, normal procedure you are doing, and but in this case, 11 and 15 have no common factor, right? Only except one. Except one is only the common factor. No other tables it will go. Why? Because 11 is prime number. 15, 11, 11 is prime number means only two factors, 1 and 11. But 15 is a composite number. We have 1, 3, 5, 15. So there are no common factors between 11 and 15. So these two are co-prime except one is a common factor. So multiplication is the LCM. Product is the LCM. Product of those two numbers. 11 multiplied with 15 is nothing but LCM of those two numbers. Once you are getting LCM, you can make your denominators like same. For that, what you should do? You should whatever the changes you're supposed to do. Okay, now the person who are giving correct answer means Srishti gave first correct answer, then Harini
Ma'am, which question? Is it the fifth one?
fourth one, then Mahavir, then Raghav. Very good. These are correct answers given by these students. So whatever the students I said, those are giving correct answers. Then
Ma'am,
fifth,
can you show sixth one, ma'am?
Ma'am, I solved the sixth one and I kept the answer also to you.
yeah, sixth one. Yeah, even Nikhil kept correct answer. Right. Mahavir.
Ma'am, even I kept fifth one, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, now I am keeping the answer for the seventh one.
Okay. Okay. That is only.
Ma'am, can you show the question of sixth one?
Okay, ma.
I
Okay.
kept the answer. I kept the answer.
Okay.
Ma'am, could you also solve the fifth one because
1 minute, ma. 1 minute.
people-
I'm showing the questions. Just a minute. So sorry, children. Okay. Vallabha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Why I'm taking LCM? You see in fifth bit. What is your fifth bit? I'm doing in leftmost side the fifth bit. Your fifth bit is 7 by 10 plus 2 by 5 plus 3 by 2. Nikhil, what is the LCM of? Is it denominators are same? No. Denominators are not same. You need to find LCM. So 10, 5, 2. What is the LCM of 10, 5, 2?
I think
10.
I will keep 7 plus 4 plus 15.
Yes, LCM is 10. Very good. Very good, Vallabha. Now you have to go to your original question.
Ma'am, the seventh one answer I typed it wrong. Please don't consider it now.
Okay, I will consider. The second time you place it, I will consider that. 7 by 10, denominator is 10, no need to change anything. Go to second fraction, 2 by 5. 5 become 10 means you're supposed to multiply with the 2 to make your denominator 10. And the third fraction, 3 by 2, you make as 10 means you need to multiply the third fraction with
5.
So now 7 by 10 plus 4 by 10 plus 15 by
15 by 10.
10. What is the answer, children? 7 plus 4 is 11. 11 plus 15 is 11.
23.
No, 11 plus 15, how much? 11 plus 15. 26 by 10. It's nothing but 2 6 by 10. Here, the many students are having doubt. You see, in proper fraction, there is once again there is a simplification is there. Children, you see here, 2 6 by 10 will go in which table? 2 table. So 2 3.
And I kept the answer for the seventh bit again.
Okay. Fifth bit, how clear you correct? Sahid, are you there, Sahid? Sahid. Sahid. I'm doing for you. You are trying to understand. You are able to get this fifth bit? Any doubt in fifth bit?
No, ma'am. My fifth bit answer correct?
Yes, let me put the fifth bit.
Yes, ma'am. My answer is correct. 2 3 bit.
Now, fifth bit, there are few students given as Mahavir 6 1 by 6. Which bit it is? Sixth bit. Mahavir, why you are keeping 1 6 by 10 answer for fifth bit?
Ma'am, for fifth bit.
Yes. Harini?
Ma'am, for fifth bit, when did I keep 1 6 by 10?
It's wrong.
What, ma'am?
Harini?
Yes, ma'am.
Your answer also, I think, 26 by 10. It's 2 3 by 5, Harini.
Ma'am, I wrote 2 3 by 10, ma'am. Like I did the same thing, but then I confused and I landed up writing 2 3 by 10.
Ma'am, is my sixth answer correct?
Fifth 2 3 by 5.
Ma'am, my sixth one.
Sixth one, let me check.
6 1 by 6.
Srishti is given as 13 by 5. Srishti, yours also
Ma'am.
on the fifth bit. And
Ma'am, I have given it as 2 3 by 10.
Ma'am, for sixth one, 6 1 by 6 I got for the sixth
6
one.
1 by 6.
Ma'am, me too. I got the same.
Yeah, 6 1 by 6. Who got? Those are correct, children.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, and the seventh one answer, can I tell?
Yes.
Ma'am, the seventh one answer is 4 7 by 8.
Maybe correct, Nana. 4 7 by
8.
okay.
8, ma'am. Ma'am, so is it correct?
4 7 by 8. Let me check, Nana. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, and your battery is running low.
Yeah, that's why I'm seeing. Maybe I'll connect to, I'll need to keep charge.
Ma'am, seventh answer is 4 5 by 8, ma'am.
Raghav, what's your answer?
Ma'am, the seventh one answer is 4 7 by 8.
4 5 by 8. She is telling 4 7 by 8. You are getting whose answer
Yes,
correct? Let me check. Yes, 2, 2 by 3, 3, 1 by 2.
Ma'am, it's
No, just remind the question. Sixth bit, 2, 3.
Ma'am, it's 7 by 8.
Okay.
4, 7 by 8.
Shrishti, can you please wait?
2, 2 by 3, 3, 1 by 2.
Can you repeat?
I think man is still solving the question. Let's wait.
Just a minute. None of you students they are able to do. That's why I'm doing on the other bits. 2.
Tomorrow answer.
What is your question, Nana? 2.
It be same करो पर answer अलग आ रहा है. G
Okay.
का convert.
2, 2 by 3,
Yes, ma'am.
3, 1 by 2. You just once again check it, Nana. Anywhere a small silly error you may. Suppose I don't know whether 3, 1 by
Ma'am, seventh one is 4, 7 by 8.
4, 7 by 8. Let me check, Nana. I didn't do that yet. I'm doing the sixth one. Let me check that part also.
Three to the 6 plus 2.
Yes,
Eight.
what we supposed to do here, Sahit and Vallabha. Both should respond immediately.
Yes, ma'am.
What we should do, Vallabha, in this case, we need to add mixed fractions here. Is it directly we can add mixed fractions here?
No, ma'am.
What we should
No,
do?
ma'am.
We have to find the LCM, ma'am, and the LCM is 6.
LCM is 6. Before going to convert into LCM, you have to convert your mixed numbers to improper
Ma'am,
fraction.
the mixed numbers are just like
Yeah, denominator with whole part. 2 3s are how much?
6.
ma'am 6. Ma'am, both of them are 6, ma'am.
6
Plus
plus 2.
2.
6 plus 2.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
8.
6 plus 2 equals to 8.
8 by 3. This one by 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. 7 by 2. Now since those are unlike, you're supposed to convert as like. So 3 and 2 LCM, 2, 3 are prime numbers and consecutive numbers. LCM means 2 multiplied with 3, it's a product, only the LCM. So you make your original fractions as like fractions. To convert as a like
8 into
fractions,
2.
you have to equate to LCM. So to equate 3
Yes, to
table when
multiply
you are
two.
getting 3 table when you are getting 6. 3 table when you are getting 6.
Ma'am, when you multiply with 2.
2, yes. When I multiply,
And
same thing, the
and
second
in
fraction
truth table we
denominator
get
is
it
2. When it will get 6 means I should multiply with 3, then
3.
only I am getting as 6. So now numerator changes to 16 by 6 and other fraction changes to 21 by 6. So here both are like fractions, we can add up. Both are like fraction, both are like, we can add them. So here 16 plus 21 together by 12. 16 plus 21 means 7. 37 by 12.
Ma'am, it's 37.
Yes. 37 by 12 is improper.
Ma'am, it's improper fraction.
Improper we can leave like that. We should send to home and make as a mixed number. Yes. Now come on, mixed number. How to suppose to by doing division. 12 3s are 36. 1 is left over. Now you write this as a 1. Sorry, 3 is your quotient. Quotient as a whole part. Remainder as a numerator. Same divised by denominator. 3 1 by 12. How many of you get 3 1 by 12, children?
For the sixth one,
Yes.
Not me, ma'am.
no man. For the sixth one, it's 6 1 by.
Ma'am, I got 6 1 by 6, ma'am.
I'm 6 1 by 6.
Yes, ma'am.
Where
See,
we
ma'am, it's 8 by 3 plus 7 by 2 LCM
Ma'am,
6.
16 by 6. Ma'am, it's 30.
It's 6 1 by 6.
Ma'am, actually, ma'am, yeah, 37. 37 by 12. Then it is 12. Ma'am, 12. Ma'am, you took 2.
Yes,
12.
you took 12, ma'am. It's 6.
Ma'am, you're not supposed to do 6 plus 6, ma'am. You're supposed to directly write 6, ma'am, down.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Right. Instead of 6, I'm writing 12. Right. Very good. Here I'm supposed to take 6. Good, Nana. I should take 6. Why? Denominator, common denominator we are taking. Sorry. I didn't check that. Now you have to convert, children. Please convert it. This is 6 table. 6 6 are 36. So 1 is left over. 6 1 by
1 by 6, ma'am.
6 1 by 6. How many of you get 6 1 by 6? All of you?
Ma'am, I got.
Even
Ma'am, I
me
got.
too. Ma'am, me too.
Good. And the last bit, 7th bit, shall we try, children? Sorry.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
it's
we got
4 7 by
4
8.
7 by 8, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, exactly.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Harini, 7 by 8.
4 7 by 8,
Ma'am, it's
ma'am.
4 7 by 8.
Ma'am, me too. Raghav also said 4 7 by 8.
What Mahavir answer? Mahavir.
Ma'am, like I was not able to see. I was not able to do the question.
Okay, let me show the
Ma'am, if you tell the question, I'll do it now.
8 1 by 2 minus 3 5 by 8. Same procedure how we did addition, the same way. Children, maybe it is 4 7 by 8 is correct. Who got Srishti, Raghav and Harini? These three got already the answer. It's 4 7 by 8. Maybe it is correct. You just do it. And the remaining Vallabha, Satvik, Nikhil, these people please try as a homework.
Ma'am, till where, ma'am?
Only 8 7.
I got.
And second bit, arrange the following in descending order. Arrangement also you know supposed to find out LCM.
Yes, ma'am, I know how to find that.
Yes, try it, children. Those 2 bits, first 2 bits you're supposed to try. We'll go third bit onwards.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. That's all for the day. I'll just close
Okay.
the session. And any doubts today's class, ma? Any doubt?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. And thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
Ma'am, can you repeat what is the homework? Ma'am, can you tell what is the homework again?
7th bit and second one, Nana. 7th bit and second.
First bit 7th, the first Roman number, the 7th bit, which is the last one, and the second bit, which is arrange the following in descending order. Yes, ma'am. So thank you, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Welcome.
Ma'am, I'm noting the question down. Can you wait?
Yes, I'm waiting. Please write down.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you share the questions in the group?
Yes, I will share more. Else PDF.
The textbook is already uploaded, I think.
Ma'am, so will you share it?
Yes, I will share. No need of copying questions also. PDF already. Anyone please share in PDF in the chat, ma'am.
Oh, okay, ma'am. I forgot.
Ma'am, it's in the Google Classroom.
Yes, already.
Ma'am, I have the PDF. I'll share. Ma'am, should I share in the WhatsApp? Yeah, try to do.
Yes, you can browse. Only 2 bits, no. Only total together 3 bits. Already few students 7th bit also completed. Only 2 bits do as a work, no, not today's class. Because it's already 7:47. We will stop today. And tomorrow we'll discuss on third bit. I mean next class.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Harini. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, Srishti.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice day.
Thank you, Vallabha. Bye. Wish you the same.
Bye, ma'am. Have a nice
Bye,
day.
Vallabha.
Bye, Nikhil. Okay, children. Once completed, please leave the meeting, Nana. Shall I stop share, Mahavir? Mahavir, are you there? Nana Sahith, hope your doubts are clarified. Sahith. Sahith, are you there?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. If you have any doubt, put personally, Nana, I'll help you so that you can follow the class. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Right,
Bye,
Nana.
ma'am.
Bye, children. Bye. Take care. Bye, Sahith.